Hello and welcome to CloudFolks HUB. Right now our DynamoDB series is going on and we are exploring each and every features of DynamoDB. In previous video, I explained you about DynamoDB stream. In this video, we are again going to talk about stream, but this time we are going to talk about DynamoDB Kinesis data stream. Now, if you don't know what is stream, I recommended you to watch previous video and then watch this one, because in previous video I already explained about what is stream, why we are using this, and what is DynamoDB stream. So the knowledge of previous video will provide you better understanding to understand this video as well. So here let's start DynamoDB Kinesis data stream. Right now, I am going to the DynamoDB console. Here, I have one table. Table name is order table. Now, when you will go to the order table, here you will get lots of tabs. And the one tab we have is exports and streams. Here, we have two streaming options. One, DynamoDB stream, already discussed in previous video. Here, we are going to discuss about this option, Amazon Kinesis data stream. I'm going to explain you each and everything about this, and also we are going to discuss about the differences between these two options. But let's start with introduction. First of all, I'm going to start with data stream introduction. It is just for your better understanding, but I recommended you to watch previous video if you want to understand data stream use cases as well. Right now, it is just the introduction. A data stream in DynamoDB captures real-time changes in the table. When you are going to add, insert any items, update any items, or delete any items, everything will be tracked or captured using data stream. It enables tracking and processing of these changes for tasks like triggering applications and analytics. In AWS, we have two streaming options, DynamoDB stream and Kinesis data stream. Now, DynamoDB stream is actually kind of inbuilt service in the DynamoDB. But what is this Kinesis data stream? So let's understand this Kinesis data stream first, then we are going to understand Kinesis with DynamoDB. Amazon Kinesis data stream is a real-time data streaming service that collects and processes large volume of data continuously. You know, in AWS, Kinesis is a kind of separate service. It is actually providing three different services as well. Kinesis data stream, Amazon data firehose, formerly it was Kinesis data firehose, and manage Apache Flink, formerly Kinesis data analytics. So, you know, Kinesis is a specifically streaming capturing service. I'm going to give you one simple example about it, right? Let's say that, you know, we have Ola. Now, Ola actually capturing real-time location of all its drivers, right? So they have lots of cars. They are collecting location of all these cars. So they need something that collect all the cars' location. Now in this case, they can use Amazon platform, and in Amazon platform, they have Amazon Kinesis data stream, which is collecting all this stream data. So AWS having special streaming collection platform, we call it Kinesis data stream. It allows developer to capture data from multiple sources such as application log, IoT devices, and it is also going to capture DynamoDB streams as well. It is also going to capture this and process this as well. Kinesis is designed for scalable, low latency data streaming, enabling use cases like analytics, event-driven application, and real-time monitoring. I gave you example of Ola, right? They are doing this real-time monitoring using kind of Kinesis platform. Now, right now we are not learning Kinesis data stream because we will talk about this in upcoming videos. We have special topics to understand Kinesis and all the Kinesis related services. But I just gave you overview so you can get better understanding about Amazon Kinesis data stream for DynamoDB. Amazon Kinesis data stream for DynamoDB is used to capture and process real-time changes in DynamoDB. So now we are not going to use inbuilt streaming facility of DynamoDB, which is DynamoDB stream detail. Instead of this, we are going to use specialized streaming system known as Kinesis to track DynamoDB changes. It streams the changes directly from the table to Kinesis, enabling advanced use case like analytics, machine learning, and custom data pipelines. The integration provides scalable and low latency data stream for processing DynamoDB updates in real time. Now you may have one question in your mind for sure, that why they are giving us these two options. Although we have this DynamoDB stream, we can able to trigger any Lambda functions using this stream as well. Why we are going to use Amazon Kinesis? So what I have done over here, I have a differences between these two. Now these differences are actually most important part. Once you will understand all these 9 differences, you will get crystal clear understanding about difference between two streaming options. So let's start comparison. The first, DynamoDB stream purpose, capture the real-time changes to the DynamoDB table. DynamoDB stream is specifically built to capture real-time changes in DynamoDB table. That's clear. But if I'm going to talk about Kinesis stream, it is not specifically built for DynamoDB. It is a different platform which is used to capture IoT data, or there are many options related to this, but as a part of this, it can also capture DynamoDB data, right? So this is specifically built for DynamoDB. This is different service which is used to capture this data. As a part of this, it is also going to capture DynamoDB data. Then integration, it is built in, like this DynamoDB stream is a inbuilt feature. We just need to turn on it from here and it is going to work. Integration, it is a separate AWS service that integrates with the DynamoDB. Ease of use, easy to enable and directly process the changes, because we just need to turn on from here, it is going to work. If you want to enable this, you must have knowledge of Kinesis. You have to go to the Kinesis, then you can create Kinesis data stream here, and then you can connect this stream from the DynamoDB console. So yeah, must have knowledge of Kinesis in order to use this with DynamoDB. Use case complexity, suitable for simple use cases like triggers and lightweight processing. If you want advanced requirement, like if you have advanced requirement, then you can use this, suitable for advanced use cases like real-time analytics and large-scale custom processing, right? You want to capture this data to analyze with your own custom application as well, you can use this option, Kinesis data stream. Point number 5, scalability, scale with the DynamoDB table automatically. Here you have to create Kinesis data stream and you have to define the capacity with the shared configuration when you are going to create your Kinesis data stream. Now, we already discussed about 5 differences and I hope you are getting complete understanding of this. Now, I'm going to explain you about 6, 7, 8, 9. These are really very important. You know, whenever you will be ready for AWS exam, if you have knowledge of all these things, you will get great confidence for your examination. Because, you know, do not take AWS solution architect exam lightly. They can ask you question from anywhere. This is what my experience is saying. So, whatever I am explaining you right now in these videos, all these are really very important point. Learn each and every points carefully. Okay. Now 6, 7, 8, 9 is really very important. Let me start.
Sorry to interrupt you. I know you guys are enjoying our video a lot because our final ultimate goal is Solution Architect Certification exam. To reach the destination, we required full videos. To create our success story, here we have a 3 path. You can choose any of them. Path number 1, our 6-in-1 program. Our 6-in-1 program include all prerequisite skills which is needed as a cloud engineer. It include 24/7 support, lifetime update, section-wise practice test, full course practice test with tips and tricks by Bhavesh Atara, how to do exam preparation course, weekly lifetime live session with Bhavesh Atara, and 6 AWS project with documents. Path number 2, you can enroll by paying 499 and get Hindi and English, both the languages, videos of AWS. Path number 3, which is the last one, you can join our YouTube Elite membership. The choice is yours how to create your success story by choosing best one. Best of luck. Thank you.